Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm bringing you guys the long-awaited and requested video for how to take off my lashes, and then I'll also be answering some questions that I got in the comments for how to do my eyelash extensions. Okay, so these lashes I've been wearing for about a week and a half, and you can tell there is a few missing, mostly on this side right here, some in the middle here. And I usually don't let them get this bad, but I do work from home and nobody really looks at me here, so I get lazy. And I did forget to mention that you can't do refills with these actually. You basically, just fill in the areas where they fell out and you'll be fine. They won't look 100%, perfect and nice, but they'll be okay for emergencies. So we're just gonna start off by going over some questions and answers about the lashes first. So somebody asked me about makeup and then having these eyelash extensions. I actually don't wear any makeup. The most I really do is my eyebrows. If I really want to get fancy and wear eyeliner, I just hold the lashes down and then draw it on. And then same to take it off. I just hold the lashes down, get your makeup wipe, and then just, clean it on top like that. If you go like this, you're going to be pulling on them and then probably getting all the oils of the makeup remover on the lashes. So if you do your makeup with the eyelash extensions, they're probably not going to last as long as you want them to. And just make sure that you really clean off all that makeup there, because you don't want it all to build up in there on your lash lines. Someone also asked me where I get my eyelash curler. This one I found probably like 5 years ago at a dollar store. I don't use anything fancy. I'm very cheap. Probably most of my makeup was hand-me-downs from my sister or just stuff that people gave to me. Someone also asked me about showering and swimming with these lashes. Yes, you can do it all. I actually love to do my lashes before going like to Vegas or something, so your lashes could look nice at the pool parties. I don't usually, stick my head and swim in the chlorine water or anything, but the lashes last very well. I have gone camping with the lashes where I did swim a lot and the lashes were fine. Something I will mention is that if you do jump in the water, you know how when you come out of the water, you like try to wipe your face and like stuff like that? Don't do that. You could hurt yourself or like pull on them. When I come out the water, I kind of just like squint my eyes a little bit, let the water flow out, and I do gently, remove the water, but don't wipe them or like be too aggressive with them. Also for the shower, same thing. When I'm like, washing my head or washing my face, I like, make sure to be aware of my lashes. And then in my shower, I have, the bar thing. So then I just hang my towel there. So when I'm washing and everything and I need to like open my eyes, I have my towel and I just, pat dry, and then you're good. And another question someone asked me was how much like downtime or like resting do I give my eyes? I actually haven't let my eyes rest in all those 5 years. At most, I wait 1 or 2 days to redo my lashes, but I always have lashes. Even during the whole pandemic, I still wanted my lashes done, mainly because I don't do my makeup, so my lashes are kind of my makeup in a way. And so right after I take off my lashes, usually within the hour, I have the new set on. And I think those were the most popular questions. If you guys have any more questions, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. But now let's remove our lashes then. Let's get started. This is the glue remover I have, and it just says glue remover. On the Amazon listing, it says grapeseed oil, but it's not really an oil. Like when you open it, it's very thick in consistency, kind of like Vaseline. And my friend who showed me how to do these lashes, she actually showed me when we were coworkers like a couple years ago. She would remove them by just having baby oil or coconut oil. That seems to work for her. And I feel it does loosen the lashes and stuff, but it just didn't remove the glue enough for me, so there was still too much pulling. So then that's when I found this one. And this one, there's no pulling at all, no pain, so I love it. It's only like $6 on Amazon, so it's very worth it. This is only like my 3rd time ordering it, and I've been doing my lashes for over 5 years, so yeah, you get your money's worth for sure. And in my first video, I did use a spoolie to remove them. I would dip it in the glue remover and then just put it on top. But I actually found that I like to use just, a flat tip like this. It just feels like I can put the product more directly where the lash is instead of just putting all over the lash. So what we're going to do is just take your spoolie and stick it in your glue remover. You just need like a drop like this. And what I love about this remover is that it's like a thick paste, so it's not going to run into your eyes or anything like that, as long as you're careful. So it'll just stay in the area where you want it to. And now I'm going to get really close. And remember, since we glued the lashes under, if we're putting the remover on top, it just makes sense, right? So just hold your lashes down, and right where the lashes meet the fake lashes, that's where you want to just start rubbing this all over there. And be very generous with this glue remover. Make sure that you get it right on the lashes. And there we go. I like to just kind of wiggle them on top like this. I feel like that really gets the glue in there maybe. And I usually put on the glue remover and then, I don't know, go wash the dishes, do the floor, like something that's going to take some time and I can just forget about it. I like to just wait 10-minute intervals. So after 10 minutes, I'll come and like just gently, very gently pull on the lashes, see if any come off. And for the ones that don't come off, I just do another round of glue remover. So I just take my time with it and it works very well every time. So again, just hold your lash and then just put it where they meet. And I think, oh, we actually got one off, so that's cool. And right now it's only been about 5 minutes, but let's see if any of them come off. Oh, here's one. No. Don't pull, like there should not be any pain or anything. Okay, not ready, not ready. Oh, okay, those came off. So yeah, I kind of just grab the lashes and wiggle a little bit. But like I mentioned, there should be no pain or like any hard pulling or anything. They should just come off. If they're not coming off, just put on more glue remover and just give it another 5-10 minutes. So while I wait, I'm just gonna go do the dishes real quick and then I'll be right back. So it's been about 5 more minutes and that is 10 minutes total. And I'm just gonna, you know, keep wiggling them, see if any more of them wanna come off. Okay, and I literally just have one on each eye. This is all that's coming off right now. So like I said, we're just gonna go back with our glue remover, get a little drop and put it right directly there. Or that happens, sure. So we're just gonna wait for this lash to fall off. I'm just gonna give it 10 more minutes and then we'll probably be done. So it's been about 10 more minutes and we're just gonna check on these lashes. And there we go. Now this is what it looks like when all the lashes are gone. You can see I still have all my lashes. There's no like bald spots or anything crazy like that. Okay, so here I'm in my bathroom and I just grabbed a towel. I just wet it with like normal room temperature water. And how I clean this is I go up like this. So that way I feel like I'm removing the glue up away from my eye. I have tried to just wash my face and I will tell you I did feel like a little bit of burning. So this method just makes sure that there is absolutely no burning or anything in your eye. So then just keep washing up. And I do like to just give my face another wash. Usually I tend to shower right after, or I just wash my face with some soap and water just to make sure I get everything off. And then once my eyelashes dry up, then we're ready for our next set. If you're removing the lashes and you see some of your natural lashes stuck to them, that's normal. It's not because you pulled them, it's because our natural lashes fall on their own too. So once they fall, they're glued to the lash, they're not gonna fall off completely. So when you remove the extensions, it's gonna have your natural lash attached to it. But again, it doesn't mean that you ripped off your lashes or anything like that. Don't freak out. It's just kind of the same thing as having hair extensions. I used to use the tape-in hair extensions and I would take off the extension and it would have like my hair attached to it, and then people would be freaking out that, oh my god, it's pulling your hair, and it's like, not really, it's just kind of holding the hairs that fell off, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I hope that it answered a lot of your questions. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to just leave them down for me in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.